In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you might not have considered: turning your old laptop into a cash machine. If you have a dusty laptop sitting in the corner, you might be surprised to learn that it can still be a valuable asset. We'll explore various profit hacks that can help you monetize that outdated tech, transforming it from a forgotten relic into a source of income. From selling parts to offering repair services, or even using it for freelance work, there are countless ways to breathe new life into your old device. We'll also discuss some creative ideas that you may not have thought of, like using your laptop for online tutoring or starting a small e-commerce venture. So, if you're curious about how to unlock the hidden potential of your old laptop and make some extra cash in the process, stick around. This video is packed with engaging insights and practical tips that will inspire you to take action. Let's get started on this journey to turn that old tech into a profitable venture. Assessing your old laptop's value. Before diving into monetizing your old laptop, it's essential to assess its current condition and specifications. Start by checking the hardware specifications, including the processor, RAM, storage capacity, and graphics card. These factors will help you determine potential uses for your laptop. For instance, if it has a decent processor and enough RAM, it could be suitable for light gaming or graphic design tasks. Next, research the resale value of similar models online. Websites like eBay, Craigslist, or specialized tech resale platforms can give you a good idea of what others are asking for similar laptops. This information will help you set a realistic price if you decide to sell it outright. Additionally, consider identifying any upgrades that could enhance its profitability. Upgrading the RAM or swapping out a traditional hard drive for a solid-state drive, SSD, can significantly improve performance and increase its market value. Even simple upgrades can make your laptop more appealing to potential buyers or open up new avenues for monetization. By thoroughly assessing your old laptop's value, you can make informed decisions that maximize your profit potential. Selling for parts. One of the most lucrative options for monetizing your old laptop is to sell it for parts. Many components can retain significant value, especially if they are in good condition. Start by carefully disassembling the laptop to salvage valuable components. Take your time with this process to avoid damaging any parts, as even small components like screws and cables can be useful to buyers. Once you have the parts ready, list them on platforms like eBay, where tech enthusiasts and DIY repairers often search for specific components. Popular items to sell include RAM, hard drives, screens, and motherboards. Be sure to provide clear descriptions and high-quality images to attract potential buyers. For parts that are unsellable or damaged, consider local electronics recycling programs. Many communities offer drop-off locations or pickup services for electronic waste, ensuring that you dispose of these items responsibly. Not only does this help the environment, but it may also provide you with a small incentive or credit for future purchases. By exploring the option of selling your laptop for parts, you can maximize your profit while contributing to a more sustainable tech ecosystem. Starting a repair business. If you're looking for a creative way to monetize your old laptop, consider using it to start a small repair business. With the right skills and a bit of marketing, you can turn your passion for technology into a profitable venture. Begin by learning basic laptop repair skills through online tutorials. Websites like YouTube and various tech forums offer a wealth of information on common issues, from hardware upgrades to software troubleshooting. Once you feel confident in your abilities, it's time to market your services. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach potential customers in your area. Create engaging posts showcasing your repair work, and consider joining local community boards or groups to spread the word. Word-of-mouth referrals can also be incredibly powerful, so don't hesitate to ask satisfied customers to share their experiences. To attract initial customers, offer competitive pricing for your services. Consider running promotions or discounts for first-time clients to encourage them to give you a try. By leveraging your old laptop as a tool for your repair business, you can not only generate income but also build a reputation in your community as a reliable tech expert. Freelancing opportunities. Your old laptop can be a gateway to exciting freelancing opportunities that allow you to earn money while working from home. Start by identifying the skills you possess that can be offered online. Whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, there's a demand for a wide range of services in the freelance marketplace. Once you've pinpointed your skills, sign up on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. These websites connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services, making it easier for you to find gigs that match your expertise. Take the time to create a compelling profile that highlights your skills and experience, as this will help you stand out among other freelancers. To further enhance your chances of landing projects, create a professional portfolio to showcase your work. Include samples of your previous projects, testimonials from satisfied clients, and any relevant certifications. A well-organized portfolio not only demonstrates your capabilities but also builds trust with potential clients. By leveraging your old laptop for freelancing work, you can turn your skills into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time career, all while maximizing the use of your existing technology. Creating digital products. Your old laptop can be a powerful tool for creating and selling digital products, allowing you to generate income from the comfort of your home. Start by developing ebooks, online courses, or printables based on your expertise. Whether you're knowledgeable in cooking, fitness, graphic design, or personal finance, there's a market for digital products that cater to various interests and needs. Once you've created your digital products, utilize platforms like Etsy or Gumroad to sell them. These platforms are user-friendly and provide a built-in audience, making it easier for you to reach potential customers. Be sure to set competitive prices and consider offering introductory discounts to attract initial buyers. Marketing your digital products is crucial for success. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your offerings and engage with your audience. Create visually appealing posts that highlight the benefits of your products, and consider using targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Additionally, building an email list can help you keep in touch with interested customers and promote new releases. By using your laptop to create and sell digital products, you can turn your knowledge and creativity into a sustainable source of income. Affiliate marketing. Your old laptop can serve as a valuable tool for diving into the world of affiliate marketing, allowing you to earn commissions by promoting products you love. Start by joining affiliate programs that align with your interests or expertise. Many companies offer affiliate opportunities, from Amazon to niche-specific brands, making it easy to find products that resonate with your audience. Once you've signed up for affiliate programs, consider creating a blog or website to promote these products. A well-designed site can serve as a platform to share reviews, tutorials, or informative articles that incorporate your affiliate links. Focus on providing valuable content that engages your readers and encourages them to click through to the products you recommend. To maximize your reach, utilize social media to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Share your blog posts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and engage with your audience by answering questions and providing insights. You can also join relevant groups or forums to connect with potential customers. By leveraging your old laptop for affiliate marketing, you can turn your passion into profit while building an online presence that can grow over time. In this video, we explored various ways to turn your old laptop into a cash machine, highlighting several profitable methods you can implement. We discussed the importance of assessing your laptop's value by checking its specifications and researching resale prices. Selling your laptop for parts can be a lucrative option, as many components retain significant value. Additionally, we covered how you can start a small repair business or leverage your laptop for freelancing opportunities, tapping into your skills to earn money online. We also delved into creating and selling digital products, as well as the potential of affiliate marketing to generate passive income. Each of these methods offers unique avenues for monetization, allowing you to maximize the utility of your old device. As you consider these options, we encourage you to take action and explore the methods that resonate with you. Remember, the key to success lies in leveraging your skills and creativity. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Stay tuned for more content that empowers you to make them. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.